Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's session, I will show you how to configure SSH. In last session, we have configured Telnet, right? So in this session, I will configure Secure Shell. Secure Shell is a application layer protocol and it uses TCP and port number 22. Telnet and Secure Shell both are same purpose. The difference is here, Telnet does not provide secure communication. SSH provides secure communication. So mostly in organizations, we will use secure shell. We don't prefer telnet protocol. In configuration wise, there is a only small difference. Almost all commands are same, but for SSH, we require 2 more commands only. Everything is same. Same topology I have taken here. Same topology, same IP addresses. This is my HQ and this is my branch office. I am sitting in the branch office. From branch office, I want to connect head office router. I want to access head office router from branch office using SSH protocol. So by default, this SSH protocol is not enabled on routers. The first we need to enable SSH protocol. By default, when you configure SSH, by default, version 1 is enabled. But in the production, we will use version 2. We don't prefer version 1. Version 1 is vulnerable. We don't prefer version 1. It is weak protocol. So that's why in organizations, we will use version 2. So now I will show you how to configure version 2. Commands are very simple. So here we already have a commands. I will show you commands first. See here. Here also we require first a username. Username Nazir, privilege level 15, password 123. And here these 3 commands are new commands. The first we need to configure domain name. Without domain name, we cannot enable SSH protocol. Remember this point. The second point is we need to configure crypto key generate RSA. This command creates keys. The purpose of keys is here to encrypt and decrypt the data. So to encrypt and decrypt the data, we require some keys. So those keys are generated by this command. Remember this point. And the next version 2, IPSSH version 2. This command enables version 2. If you don't give this command, by default it enables version 1. And the next line VTY 0/4 and login local transport input telnet. Sorry, transport input. Here we need to give SSH. This command transport input SSH. This command allows only SSH connections. This command will not allow telnet connections. If you want to use both telnet and SSH same time, so here we need to specify all. So these are the secure shell configuration commands. Just copy these commands, paste in router here. In configuration mode, we need to paste, right? See. Now how to verify SSH? So IP SSH. See, SSH enabled and version 2 is enabled. Now how to connect from branch office to head office? So first to go to any one PC and click on command prompt, and here SSH -L and username is Nazir, and IP address 12.0.0.1. Enter. See, it is asking password. The password is 123. Right? I got access. and I will try to access from second computer. Again, command prompt SSH -L, username Nazir, IP address 12.0.0.1, password 123, right? I got access, and I will try to access from third computer. For this time, I will use LAN IP. LAN IP means router LAN interface IP. SSH -L, username Nazir, IP address 192.168.1.1. It is asking password 123. See, we can use any IP address on that router. Okay, see here 12.0.0.1 and 192.168.1.1. You can use any IP for remote access. Okay, next. So I have access HQ router from these three computers, and I will try to access from I will connect three more computers in LAN, PC4, PC5, PC6. Okay, I am going to connect these three, and I will try to access HQ router from these three computers. Okay, before that, first configure IPs here. DSCP IP 192.1.2.5, and here 2.6, and here 2.7. Right now, I will try to access HQ router from these three computers. Okay, I already connected from these three computers, and from here I will try now. So again, same SSH -L, username Nazir, and the privilege level, IP address 12.0.0.1, and password 123. Right, I got access, and try to access from here. SSH -L, username Nazir, privilege level 123. Sorry, privilege not sorry. IP address 12.0.0.1, password 123. Right. So now I access from these five computers. This computer, and this computer. Okay, now I am going to access from this computer. See here what happened. So click on this PC, and here command prompt SSH -L, username Nazir, IP address 12.0.0.1. See, it is not accessing, right? Because so here how we configure Telnet? The Telnet commands are here. Line VTY 0/4. 0/4 means it allows only 5 sessions, which means this router will gives only 5 consoles, 5 terminals. This is the terminal. This block screen is called terminal. So it allows only 5 terminals. We can access from same computer 5 times. It allows only 5. You can access from different IPs. Only either it is single user or different user, that is not a matter. It allows only, it generates only 5 terminals. Remember this point. Line VTY 0/4 means only it allows only 5 sessions only, Telnet sessions. From different computers, single user can be accessed, or different users also. That is not a matter here. But right now I am accessing this device using same username. Okay, right? So this is and how to configure SSH. And if you want to know who has logged in this router from remote location, for that we will use command here This is the head office router, right? So go to router. Command is show users. See, show users. Username Nazir, username Nazir, username Nazir, username Nazir, username Nazir. But it is not showing IP address. It is not showing location from which system Nazir has logged in. From which IP Nazir has logged in. It is not showing. And show user question mark. Is there any command? No command, right? Show user. That's it. This is how to verify. Okay. Now, if you try to access Telnet, for example, here, see, I am going to exit here. See, now I am in system, right? If you try to access using Telnet protocol, Telnet 12.0.0.1, we can't access because Telnet is not enabled on VTY lines. And the VTY lines, we have specified only SSH protocol. Here, see, transport input SSH. But if you configure here all, okay, now I will configure all here in our router 0. So here line VTY 0 space 4, transport input all, enter. Now try to access from any computer. Line Telnet 12.0.0.1. See, now it is accessing, right? Username is Nazir, password is 123. Now verify users, remote user who has logged in this device. Okay, so go to router, show users, right? See, for Telnet it is showing IP address 192.1.2.system. This is the Telnet connection. For Telnet connections, we can see IP address. For secure shell connections, we cannot see IP address. 2.6, right? 2.6 is what? This is the 2.6. See, 192.168.2.6. So in the next session, I will show you how to restrict Telnet connections to single IP. Okay. Right now, I am using any IP address here, right? 12.0.0.1 or 192.1.1.1. You can use any IP address here. You can get the access. But in the production, not like that. In the production, we will give only access to single IP. For every device, we have a management IP. If you want to log in into that device, we use only management IP for remote access. So I will show you in the next section. Okay, in the next session.